Take the e-bike for a bit of a ride now. Good old e-bike, had it for ages. Don't know if the tyres pumped up enough. Yep, feels like it is. And rightio, my boys shouting out to me, so we're off down here because my legs are too short. And oh, should have got one that had a girls bar on it. Sorry, but that's what I should have done. I haven't turned it on yet. Turn it on, and I'm off. Rightio. Here we go. And he's gone. My boy's gone down in front of me there. Don't take much to pedal this. One pedal, two pedals, three pedals, and I'm only I'm doing 15.9 Ks, I think it is. In first gear, second gear actually, in gear assist 1, which is nothing. And this is no strain on me whatsoever. Love it. Been a pretty eventful day. Enjoyed this. Good day. Take it easy on your groin. Do have a few problems, hips, knees and back and everything, but not a lot of people would know when I'm cruising around on this. They'd think that I'm legs like a ostrich, emu. Boys miles in front of me now, crawling along. There he goes, look at him go, there he goes. Get up over here, without having a step, look at this. Easy as, oh my God. Yeah, I don't know which way he's gone now, which way has he gone? Gone through the school. Yeah, there he goes. Go through the school too. Nothing coming. You go. Ooh, I hit that bump pretty hard. Hit a rock pretty hard back here. I hope I haven't got a flat tyre now. Oh well. Here we go. See, we're gaining on him. We're not even trying. Gaining on me, boy. Turbo chook. Look at the turbo chooks. There they are. Look at old turbo chooks. There they go. Oh, I love her, but I love to fish. And there's my beautiful wife sitting around the corner there. Whee! Whoa, far out. Right there. Yeah. Whoops. Hello. Oh. There's my dog. There's my wife. Daughter. Sister-in-law. Dog. Bike.
We was waiting for you. I'll just use this one. I'll give another one.
Wait for me to give you a lift. On the bike.
That's a good one for us.
Well, casted it out, the magnet.
Did you? Anything?
Yeah. We've got to turn. Oh, hang on. Hold on, will ya? Yeah, don't lean. Don't lean. You just hold on and sit up straight behind Dad. Sit straight behind Daddy. Good boy. Now you put this on your head. You put this on your head. Okay? And then, yeah, just clip it on, put it on top of your head. Now I'm going to go really slow, but I want you to wear the helmet. Okay? You got the helmet on? Can you see Mummy behind us? She coming? Alright? Got the helmet on your head? Hold Daddy tight round here. It's a boy. I'm only going to go really slow. Okay? You don't have to worry too much. Dad's only going to go slow. Okay? How's that? Is that good?
Yeah.
How's that? Was that good?
Yeah.
So your Dad'll look after you. Hey? It is rough, isn't it? Pull up here and wait for it, alright? Dad's going to pull up next to that rock. Okay, so you can hop off on the rock. Ready? You go hop off onto that rock. There you go. Right, can you reach? Can't reach it? You just wait there for a minute then. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. Wow. We got some water out there, we've got some serious water. Look at that. Minecraft Steve. Wow. Look out, Steve. Hold on. You're right, you're only keeping up with Mum. Keep hold of Dad. Yep. Oh, I love her, and I love to fish. Yes, I do, yes, I do. Yes, I do, yes, I do. Well, I love her, but I love to fish. Well, I love her, but I love to fish. Yes, I do, yes, I do. You're having fun, are you, boy? You don't have to worry. I'll turn around, yeah. Stay nice and steady up behind Dad. Come boy. Oh, I love her, but I love to fish. We'll just follow, and then we'll go up the hill in a minute. Go up the hill in a minute, won't we? Hey? Yes, we will. Put the dog on the bike too. Put the dog on the bike too. Right, boy? You stay there and sit nice and comfortable. Oh, geez, they're getting big, aren't they? They're getting big. Whee! Whee! strong wind. Woo. Well, we'll wait here at the corner for them and then we'll go again, right? We'll ride up the hill and get up there before they get up there, won't we? Hey, we'll have a rest for a minute so Daddy's crutches sort not hurting so much.
Huh?
Wait for everybody to get here and then we'll go. Let's have a wait for a minute. Wait for everybody to get here. You right? Does that Daddy's hat fit you nicely?
No, look.
Wow, that'll be all right though. Comes a car, here comes a car, we'll get off the road a little bit. We'll get off the road a little bit. Car coming. How long before my house will be finished? It's a beauty. Yeah. Yeah, beautiful. Right, we go now? We go? Righto, so see you when you get up there, Mum.
Hi, Daniel.
See ya. Yeah, we'll do that. Yeah. You right there, little man? Just take your time. I'll go and put the kettle on. Yep. Okay. I thought it might have been a car coming. No. Now Dad will go up the laneway. Put my bike away. Ready? Hold on. Whee! Now I'm going to lean it down for you to get off now, alright? No, I'll lean it down, you'll be able to just climb off. You won't fall. There you go. You wait here with Dad. How's Dad going to get off? Oh, I'm off. Right. No, no, we'll just stick it over the handlebar. Plug it back together and put it over Dad's handlebar. That's a good boy.